Hey, is your Android Auto giving you a hard time? Can't get it to work right? I got a fix coming up for you right after this. Okay, here we are with the wire plugged in. You can see Android Auto's working just fine. It's hard to believe that for $12 you get a data transfer cable that works high speed, no hiccups, no problems, no issues. And like I said, I'll make sure and leave the link down in the video description below so you can find it. You can see right here, YouTube Music works just fine. Everything's good to go for 12 bucks. Today I'm going to show you how to fix your Android Auto problems and issues. I tried using a regular braided cord. I'll show you a picture of that in just a moment. Okay, this is what I was using that didn't work. See the braided cable? USB 3.1, USB Type-C, real nice, durable. Didn't work. Let me show you what does work and what will work for you. It would connect for a little while and then it would disconnect. I did find the only two solutions to work was your original cord that comes with your Samsung phone, Android, or your Apple phones, whatever. It has to be a data transfer cable for it to work properly. Make sure everything is updated, your Android Auto app on your phone, plus your other system operation. I purchased this here July 6th of 2021. It's a USB-C cable. It comes in a 2-pack. It's a Gen 2 USB-C to USB 3.1. It's a fast charge and 10 gigabytes per second data sync cable. It works with Android Auto and more. It comes with a 1-foot and a 3-foot cable. Picked it up for $11.99 and it fixed the problem. And I'll show you why. Right here you can see it's super speed charge and sync 3.1 Gen 2 cable. Up to 10 gigabytes a second. Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0. Right here you can see it works with Android Auto. This is what fixed my problem. I hope this video helps in some way. If it does, let me know. Leave a comment down below. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Hopefully you like the content I put out and it helped you in some way. Smash that subscribe button for me. Helps me to grow the channel. I'd really appreciate it. And you don't want to miss any free games, budget gaming tech I have coming up, helping you save money, ad-free 4K quality always. You will never see any laggy, unskippable commercials on this channel. Max output on this, 20 volts up to 60 watts. Like I said, data transfer, 10 gigabytes a second. It's fast. Down below it lists all the different phones that it works with and it's compatible with. The external portable SSDs that it works with. It even has a list of incompatible devices. That way you're sure you don't get the wrong one. And when I compared it with other cables, this is the one to go with. Thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned. We'll be back with more helpful videos. Free games, budget tech. Have a great day, everybody.
Still pimp. Once a pimp, always a pimp. Always boss player. Forever.
Hi, thanks for watching the video. Hopefully you found it entertaining and it helped save you some money. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I really appreciate you watching. Hit that subscribe button down there so you don't miss any great free games or budget tech coming your way. Also, if you want to see more, make sure to click up there. Thank you for watching. We'll see you soon.